Isn't it ironic, though, that the very people Raila fought for sometimes questioned his methods? Some called him a radical. I prefer to say that he was a dreamer, a visionary who dared to walk where others hesitated because he envisioned a future where no one was left behind. In his memory, we've been tasked with the responsibility not just to dream the future, but to shape it. So what lessons can we draw from Baba's life? First, the change is absolutely possible, but it comes with a heavy dose of courage, persistence, and let's not forget, a sprinkle of humor to lighten those heavy moments. The other day I watched a video of him when he was trying to enter the DCI office. And the officer at the gate told him, I think, Mheshimiwa, you were there. The officer at the gate told him that he can't enter. And Baba turned it into a soap opera. He first tilted his head, raised his eyebrow, and asked, why not? When the officer stood firm, Baba switched gears and started a charming protest demanding access to the public office. That officer did not back down, but neither did Baba. He threatened to rally a crowd to bring down the gate. As I watched this video, I could hear him say three things. He always used to say, procedure first, pressure second, then we take action. Later, as we shared a laugh over the social media storm that followed, he was crying with laughter, saying, you must learn to laugh at yourself. It means you take yourself less seriously. If only we could apply that wisdom at the national governance level in Kenya. In Kenya, institutions work together like a family during a heated dinner. Lots of shouting, some staring, and when all else fails, people storm out to their different rooms. Even the president sometimes admits to us that he feels shackled by the behemoth of bureaucracy. People are often afraid of change. They fight against it. It's like they're protecting that last piece of cake at a birthday party. But sometimes, just a sprinkle of Baba's humor and charm can turn a full-blown war into a friendly game of kati, for example.